This is the rant. This is my rant. In Jamaica, we would say we spit fire, or we just cuss and go on bad. But I had to let everything out. This is how it started.
The journey is so long, it's like 16 years, though it feels so impossible, won't misbehave, cause
We'll be right there to you. Babe, you know realize that I know me can't get the song from Tropical. I know me can't hear if you do it. I know me don't know what happened. I have no clue what is going on. So you know,
Can't believe you.
yeah man, real. I had enough. I wasn't taking anymore. I was going to do something about it. So you know what me I gonna do?
After I promise I said that now gone.
Yeah, promise me everything. And still nothing.
You might expect that very much all.
Exactly. So you know what me I gonna do? Me I gonna just call him and tell him my mind. Tell him everything when me have on my mind. Because of disrespect. And me not care. You, my youth, how come you know link me back on nothing? How much voice note me have to send you? My youth, me need my song. Me need this song. Me need this song. It's just a song. Suppose it was money. And you could have at least have the decency if you link me back and make me know what I go on. Me no respect that man. I disrespect that my youth. And if I say I deal with things, it's tricky when you're working with people because some people will have the best intentions and some people just don't care. So what do? Do you be disrespectful or you just go ahead and tell them your mind respectfully? Me and you now can't work again. Can't do no music again. Can't work some my youth. Page me if you have page me. If you not page me, just shout me and make me know say you don't have time for me star. Me no respect them things there. By this time I got a phone call from Skelly.
Yo, Ripah, link up.
Telling me that him and his family were going to check out a new place, asking me if I wanted to ride along. So I said yeah. I grabbed my family and we went because my head right now is not in a good place. So I needed a break anyway.
Ripah, come fi tell you something real.
By this time, I was doing everything to not think about music. I should not be thinking about music right now. No music, no music, no music. But guess what? I was thinking about music and my next move.
Your order, 6 feet under, roll like thunder. Watch you every day, just a plan me disaster. 6 feet under, roll like thunder. I will never.
Let's face it, this is the harsh reality of the music business, especially if you're an independent artist trying to hustle the whole thing by yourself. Many times, you're left with nothing. By the way, where are we going?
Boardwalk. We can walk go to Newater.
Boardwalk, we can see Captain Alright, we can go and see.
If it is what it is.
If it is what it is.
Or what them say it is.
It's a tourist place.
Or a tourist.
Well, we're tourists today.
Take a break, take a drive out and see. Walk on. Just when I could start to finally get the music off my head, this happened.
Ripah, wagwan man, from when you tell me say I work on a new song, from when you tell me say I drop this new project, I don't see nothing go on, brother. Wagwan, warm to the song, warm to the release. I don't see nothing go on, me concern, brother. While they hold up, you know, say a momentum thing you have to work with, you know, man. You can't make the momentum left here, you know, brother.
Oh God. Anyway, finally we pulled up. We arrived. Now everybody's asking questions. Everybody.
Yard up door, but I want this. Me seed said them nah no focus, my God is.
Yo, Ripah, wagwan. Hope you and family are good, you know. Anyways, this new song that you keep talking about, when is that coming out? Am I getting a little sneak peek? I hope so. Anyway, speak to you soon, yeah? Keep doing what you're doing. Never give up.
I'm getting voice notes now from everybody. Everybody's wondering. Everybody's looking out, wanting to hear the song. And no song. If we never find a parking, me just go back straight to yard. Just turn back and go home. Man, you look young, you look brand new. You look like 17. Man, yeah. Magic a haircut can do.
I need them, my youth.
I know you're skelly.
Your parents out there with you?
Eh?
Your parents out there with you?
You need an ID.
Hey, yo, Ripah, what go on? What's the pray? I hope all is well again. The follow me, J. You know, me sitting here to myself and me a things, say me nah make weekend pass and me nah make the link. You know, me listen to your song, them and them a shot. You mention a new song to me, when it a drop. Yo, King, you have your fans, them a wait. And all it earlier anticipate. But anyway, me know it not too late. You are going to prove to the world, so you're great. You remember now, hard work and dedication are the key.
So many people waiting on this. Well, yes, sir?
Yeah.
Nicer?
You want to do
Yes, no. By far.
You guys too busy, man.
Yeah, it's too much.
Yeah.
Too much, yeah, man.
Yeah, too busy.
Maybe that's why everybody leave and come over, sir. Honestly, it was a good trip. But I think it's time to go home. My mind is still on plan B. I started making a beat for a song I had. I think it's time I jump into that fully.
This the only thing me need for lead with no baggage. Some massy and some savage, and we are above average, eh? See the guttering, Lord, this a guttering. Long past suffering, the politician buffering. Yeah, the devil, they are in control, I pay them.
Bill, you won't believe who messaged me.
Oh.
The Tropical? Listen this.
Yo, cuz, where you going, man? I better pre me. And that's true.